What's the meaning of check? Check. Check.
Check. Check. The word check can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As a verb, it can mean to inspect or examine something for errors or flaws, to mark something to indicate completion, or to stop or control the flow of something. As a noun, it can refer to a physical object used to pay for goods or services, or to a written order to a bank to pay a specified amount of money to a person or entity. Ultimately, the meaning of check depends on its usage in a particular situation.